Good evening to all of you. Today I shall start the selection procedure of TGT and PGT examination in current situations. Maximum students who are playing the role of TGT and PGT examination, he also started various type of questions will be asked in the examination. But what is the criteria of TGT and PGT examination and what is the selection procedure? You are completely confused about it. So, how many questions will be asked in the examination of TGT and PGT both? It is needed for you to know about the real characteristic of it. First of all, before giving about detailed descriptions about TGT and PGT both, I shall describe about how many parts will be included for written exam. In written exam, 85% marks will be included for written exam. And in interview, if I shall talk about the interview, then 10 marks will be added. Maximum students are unaware he has taken a lot of degree related to the exam and has also pursuing about TGT and PGT courses. In these situations, how many skills has been developed by the student, it is needed for you. So two types of questions like written exam 85% part is included and in interview 10% marks will be included also. What is the special qualification? If I shall talk about special qualification, for special qualification 5% marks will be included. 5% marks will be included for different courses. Those students who has taken the degree of DPhil or PhD, those students who has taken the degree of MEd and for BEd, how many marks will be included for the special educations? If I have described about the written interview and special qualification. बहुत सारे बच्चों को विभिन्न प्रकार की समस्याएं जब एग्ज़ाम देने के दौरान प्रस्तुत होती हैं तो विभिन्न प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम्स का सामना करना पड़ता है. अब रिटन एग्ज़ाम कितने परसेंट मार्क्स इंक्लूड होंगे, इंटरव्यू में कितने परसेंट मार्क्स इंक्लूड होंगे और जो स्टूडेंट स्पेशल क्वालिफिकेशन स्पेशल डिग्री लिए हैं उसमें कितने परसेंट मार्क्स इंक्लूड होंगे, दे हैव कम्प्लीटली कन्फ्यूज्ड. इफ सच टाइप ऑफ क्राइटेरिया will be fixed by the UP माध्यमिक शिक्षा सेवा चयन बोर्ड प्रयागराज, it is needed for you before preparing the examination of TGT and PGT both. किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करने से पहले, किसी भी एग्ज़ाम को प्रिपेयर करने से पहले सबसे पहले उन रणनीतियों पर ध्यान देना पड़ता है जिनके लिए आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करने का काम कर रहे हैं. सो इन दिस वे आई हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट 3 points. First is written exam, second is interview and third is special qualification. How many points will be included in special qualification? किस किस बिंदुओं पर special qualification आता है? First is also the MEd degree. First is DPhil. DPhil means Doctor of Philosophy. In the present time, according to the new education policy 2020, for MPhil courses has been completely neglected and DPhil is also included. Doctor of Philosophy, it is converted into PhD. Then how many marks will be included? Weightage for 2% marks will be given by UP माध्यमिक शिक्षा सेवा चयन बोर्ड, 2% marks for DPhil exam. And next is MEd. Those student who has completed the degree of MEd, then how many marks will be included in the examination? कितने परसेंटेज मार्क्स जो है दिया जाएगा? तो फॉर MEd degree 2% marks will be added. So in this way it is needed for you to know about it. यह आपकी प्राथमिक आवश्यकता है कि अगर हमने किसी प्रकार की डिग्री प्राप्त की है तो उसके लिए जो है कितने परसेंट स्पेशल क्वालिफिकेशन के अंतर्गत माध्यमिक शिक्षा सेवा चयन बोर्ड के द्वारा नंबर दिया जाएगा। अगर आप इंटरव्यू फेस करने जा रहे हैं तो इन चीज़ों की आपकी प्राथमिक आवश्यकता, इट इज़ कंप्लीट प्रायोरिटी फॉर यू, you should know about it. And for B.Ed degree, those student who has completed the B.Ed degree, in this current situations one mistake has been included by UP Madhyamik Shiksha Seva Chayan Board. Those student who has completed the degree of M.Ed or DPhil, then 1% marks will be given. It is the blunder mistake by UP Madhyamik Shiksha Seva Chayan Board when a student claimed. Then also this process will be searched at that time. So 1% marks for B.Ed degree. 1% marks for B.Ed degree will be given after completing the interview. And pattern of questions, every student are familiar about it. The pattern of questions in the examinations, 125 questions and time is fixed, 2 hours is fixed for TGT and PGT both. So I described in brief way about the selection procedure of the TGT and PGT examinations and special qualifications. So today I shall talk about the life introduction of John Galsworthy. Life introduction of John Galsworthy. In TGT courses, this novelist is also included, and he is a famous novelist in Indian society, and he has described about various features about slum areas, features of the common people who are living in this era. So I have given a lot of knowledge for you कि स्टूडेंट बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं और पढ़ने के दौरान बहुत सारे नॉलेज को गेन करने के दौरान उन बिंदुओं को भूल जाते हैं जो एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाता है. इन टीजीटी एग्जामिनेशन, इफ आई शैल डिस्कस अबाउट इट, देन इन टीजीटी एग्जामिनेशंस फैक्चुअल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड. फैक्चुअल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड एंड स्टूडेंट शुड प्रिपेयर अबाउट इट. स्टूडेंट शुड प्रिपेयर अबाउट इट कि व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट डेट of birth and death also. 1867 to 1933. John Galsworthy, 1867 to 1933, he was born on, first point is he was born on which date? Date is also important. In TGT examination, date will be asked. 14 August 1867. These questions will be asked in TGT examination. कि 14 August 1867 John Galsworthy have taken the birth in physical land. So in which place he has got the birth? Kingston upon Thames. Kingston upon, it is the place of UK, Thames, Surrey. Kingston upon Thames, Surrey. This questions as a factual question. I am providing to you the factual based questions for TGT and PGT examination board. If in TGT examinations that questions will be prepared by UP Madhyamik Shiksha Seva Chayan Board, he observed about major works and date of birth and in which place he has got the birth. Then Kingston upon Thames, Surrey, and it is in which place? It is England. Same questions will be asked in the examination and students are completely confused about it. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को विभिन्न प्रकार का कन्फ्यूजन्स डेटा को याद करने में होता है. अगर इन डेटा को आपने तैयार नहीं किया और बहुत सारी समरी के विषय में आपने तैयार करना शुरू कर दिया और समरी जानते हुए भी आपने फैक्चुअल डेटा को अलग नहीं रखा, तो हो सकता है एग्जाम में सही क्वेश्चन को चूज करने में, क्वेश्चन के सही आंसर को ऑप्ट करने में आपको बड़ी परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ सकता है. सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क टू यू कि हाउ कैन यू इम्प्रूव your method of teaching, how can you improve your method of reading habits, and how many points is important for TGT examination. It is important to you to know before preparing the examination of TGT. So first of all, I have described about 2 points. First is the date of birth and which place he has got the birth, and next is I am going to describe about the parents. Describe about the parents. John Galsworthy, who was the father of John Galsworthy, and what is the profession of John Galsworthy father? Same questions will be asked in trained graduate teacher. If students are completely unaware about it before preparing the detailed version of any topic, then you can suffer a lot of problems after solving the questions in the examination of TGT and PGT both. So, same as if I shall talk about the father of John Galsworthy, the name, both name is similar. John Galsworthy, father name is John Galsworthy. John Galsworthy. John Galsworthy is the father of John Galsworthy. Name is similar, but what is the profession? Profession is liar. Profession is liar of John Galsworthy. And John Galsworthy father is very anxious about his own son, कि future will be bright and you will become a good liar. It is the plan, those father also who has taken the profession of it, they adopt the profession, same professions of his own children. It is the nature of the father, it is the nature for the children. So if I shall talk about the mother, different questions will be asked in the examination, but you should prepare about the factual based question. Blanche Bailey. Blanche Bailey. Few names you are completely confused in the examination. When you are sitting in the hall and examination started, different types of questions will be given and you have to attempt the question answer within 2 hours. Grammar portion questions and literature portion questions. In literature portion questions, you have to put and copy all these factual data into the memory. If I shall talk about date of birth and month and date both, then you will be confused. Then how can you practice daily? You will point out these portions and you daily routine you copy into the memory. If such type of process will start in future life way, then you can get a lot of success. And those questions like 60 to 70% questions will be asked in TGT and PGT examination for literature portion. And if you have attempted, if you have practiced in daily routine, then 60 to 70% question, maximum question you will in the favor of you. बहुत सारे questions आप solve करने के दौरान आपके फेवर में रहेंगे अगर आपने इन पॉइंट्स को, इन बिंदुओं को अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान देने का प्रयास किया है. तो I have discussed about parental life. The name of father is John Galsworthy and John Galsworthy profession is liar. and second is the mother, Blanche Bailey. And if I shall talk about the education of John Galsworthy, in which place he had got the education? Different questions will be asked in the examination. If I shall talk about the education, he got education in Harrow New College. He got an education. If I shall talk about the education, then in which place he had got the education? Harrow New College. In which place? Oxford. In which place? Oxford. And it is the place Harrow New College. Which type of degree he has taken? If I shall discuss about it, which type of degree he has taken, it is totally confused. It is totally confused. The student totally confused which type of degree, because I have described. इसके पहले हमने describe किया है कि इनके पिता जॉन गाल्सवर्दी का एक सपना था कि हमारा बेटा, अगर मैं लायर हूं तो मेरा बेटा भी लायर की पोस्ट पे जाए, लेकिन उनको लायर की पोस्ट पसंद नहीं थी और उन क्षेत्र में इंटरेस्ट नहीं डेवलप किए थे, लेकिन पिता के सम्मान के कारण उन्होंने इस प्रकार की डिग्री लेने के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ा। तो उन्होंने डिग्री कहां से ली? हैरो न्यू कॉलेज, ऑक्सफोर्ड। और कौन सी डिग्री उन्होंने ली? लॉ की डिग्री। ही हैज टेकन द डिग्री ऑफ लॉ एंड सेम एज he has affair about Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper. If I shall talk about Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper, she is the wife of his own cousins. She is the wife of his own cousins. What is the name of cousins? Arthur Galsworthy. Arthur Galsworthy. If I shall talk about John Galsworthy, then there is need to discuss in this time, because both quarreled to each other. Different situations have created, but John Galsworthy loved very much Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper. The name of Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper. If I shall talk about Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper, Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper loved John Galsworthy, and this love affair also started 1895. If I shall talk about the Ada Nemesis Pearson, Ada Nemesis Pearson is also the wife of Arthur Galsworthy. He is the cousin of John Galsworthy. So why he has divorced? What is the main cause of divorce? Cause is quarreling. Both are quarreling to each other, and due to this reason also, when Arthur Galsworthy died, then he married to next John Galsworthy, and she supported everything. She liked and loved both in this situation. But if I shall talk about the exact year where John Galsworthy and Ada Nemesis Pearson married to each other, John Galsworthy and Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper, in which year she married? 23 September 1905. Same questions will be asked in the examination for TGT and PGT both. If factual based questions will be taken by you, will be copied into the memory, then you will attempt the question answer within a time. So if I shall talk about how many points also included for the John Galsworthy. John Galsworthy played a different role in different sectors, but he has adopted only education. He has adopted the sector of education and rejected the degree, those who has taken the degree, but it is completely meaningless. And which type of questions will be asked in the examination, कि how many points he has played the role in the English literature, also poet, playwright and novelist. If I shall talk, he is a great poet, playwright, and next is also novelist. Three sections he has taken the great effort for doing the hard work, and different plays, different novels he has published, and those novel is based about the slum areas, people, slum area society, common human beings, the pain of common human beings he has described. And few also poets that he has played about love affair he has also included. If I shall talk about 2 points, 2 awards he has got in the history of English literature. First is Order of Merit. One point there is need to discuss in front of you. He is very revolutionary poet. He is a very revolutionary novelist at that time. But with the help of Ada Nemesis Pearson, she has played a big role and helped at every situations in difficulties life. If I shall discuss about it, then I shall talk about Knighthood Award. Knighthood Award he has got 1917. Knighthood Award, Knighthood post has been given by President of England. In which year he has got? 1917. This factual based question is important for exam. Students are preparing for grammar portion, no doubt, but for literary portions if you have completely left, अगर आपने लिटरेचर के पोर्शन को लेफ्ट किया, बिना दोनों के अच्छे कॉम्बिनेशन के बिना आपको अच्छे मार्क्स आना मुश्किल है. और आज की चुनौतियों में लिटरेचर और ग्रामर का एक बिग रोल है, और अगर इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस आपने एग्जाम में प्रिपेयर किए तो हो सकता है कि ये क्वेश्चन सेम टू सेम एग्जाम में पूछे जाएं. It is the expectation of me that questions has been collected by me through the different books. Then you have to follow it, and these questions will be asked in the examination. But 2 award he has adopted. 2 award. First award is Merit of Order of Merit. Order of Merit. Order of Merit Award. If I shall talk about Order of Merit. Order of Merit, in which year he has got? 1929. 1929. This question is most important question for TGT exam, and next in 2020 same questions will be asked. It is my expectation. If students are mentally and physically both strong for preparing the examination of TGT, then 100% selection will be also included, and you will no any doubt will be come in the mind of you. So first of all, if I shall talk about the order of merit, I have given about the brief discussion about it, but not elaborate portions. Those factual based questions which will be asked in the examination, either the characters I shall discuss, but today I shall talk about the brief discussions about the biography of John Galsworthy, father's activities, father's role and its work, and he has got the different award in different fields. So next most important question for exam, ki in which year he has got the Nobel Prize. John Galsworthy is the famous novelist, famous poet and famous playwright in the history of England. So in this situation he has created about different areas, revolutionary movement, and when the First World War has started, then he has got in sad position because he observed very carefully about the society's pain. When First World War started in 1914, maximum peoples also affected, and those people who are also does not involve about wrong activities also the haunt of World War. After seeing about these situations, blood seth situations in First World War, the John Galsworthy heart is also filled with the pain. अगर हम ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट की बात करते हैं तो ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट 1929 में इन्हें अवार्ड दिया गया. और नोबेल प्राइज, इफ आई शैल टॉक अबाउट द नोबेल प्राइज, questions will be asked in the exam. Most important question for 2020 exam. If examiner will set the question paper, same questions will be asked. It is the 100% expectation of me कि I have collected maximum 30, 20 and 100 questions has been collected by me. Before teaching, maximum questions I have collected. And same questions if I shall try to practice about detailed study material after teaching, then you can in easy way solve the questions within a time. If I shall talk about such type of process, if you are pursuing it, if you are follow it and put the faith in institutions and teachers also, then your future no doubt will be bright and you will be selected in the examination of 2020. Then first of all it is needed for you कि in which year John Galsworthy has got the Nobel Prize. 1932. Same questions will be asked in TGT examination. Two students also participated in the examination of TGT. When after completing or solving the questions returned after examination center, then he also confused 1931, 1930, in which year he has got the award. He has read the story, he has read different novels, but those portions where question will be asked, if you have not practiced well, then physically and mentally you will be haunt of pressure. So it is important strategy for you to improve your thinking, to improve your method of teaching, method of reading also, according to the situations that paper setter also making a different questions, you can understand the nature of the question. You are not preparing for MA courses and BA courses of descriptive examinations, and you will prepare 2 or 3 or 5 or 50 questions, then you can also solve the question paper. But factual based questions, to copy it into the memory is difficult task for you. So first of all I shall tell about the John Galsworthy. John Galsworthy believed to travel in different places. John Galsworthy to travel in different places. Questions will be asked in the examination कि in which place John Galsworthy has travelled, and different country name has also given. If I shall talk about the era 1891, year 1891, John Galsworthy also played a big role. He visited Asia, South Asia. For travelling scene he is fond of it. And Canada, Australia. Different country he has visited, and he has got the different experience when he visited in different countries, and he has observed very carefully about the real situation of it, about the real situation, real condition of it. But one points there is need to include in front of you. If I shall talk about Eda Nemesis Pearson, after 10 years he divorced. After 10 years I am married to John Galsworthy. So I am going to start after biography and different portions. I shall start about the major works of John Galsworthy. Question will be asked in these portions. Major works of John Galsworthy. Major works of John Galsworthy. You have prepared factual questions. Jocelyn, if I shall talk about first work, Jocelyn, Jocelyn. It is the first work, and in which year it was written? 1898. 1898. Questions will be asked कि Jocelyn, in which year it was written? Then if you have prepared well, 1898, then no any problem, no any hindrances will come to solve the question. Within a 2 minute, within a second you can solve the question answer, because I am trying and I am building the such type of portions. Questions will be asked. So if you follow the instructions given by the teacher, then your future will be successful, no doubt. Maximum students are interested to read in Hindi version, but to read in English version, your interview will be decorative, and these portions for interview will play a big role. And your practices for teaching will be developed in daily routine. Factual based question I have given to you. What is the summary of it? I shall describe in Hindi and English both. But you have to develop the strategy of speaking skill also in the modern era. If questions will be asked and different questions will be asked in interview, either KVS, DSSB, then modern writer also have said, and different questions will be asked. If you have not given the right answer of these questions in English version, then you will be rejected surely. So first works I have described, the Iceland Parsees. Next work I shall also discuss the Iceland. It is the most important questions for TGT examination. Iceland Parsees. Parsees means होता है पाखंडी. Parsees means in Hindi version पाखंडी. If I shall talk in which year it was published, 1904. 1904 it was published, and most important question for TGT examination related to the John Galsworthy, if I shall discuss about it, the silver box. The silver box, and in which year it was published? In which year it was published? The silver box. The silver box. It is the most important question for TGT exam. In 2020, I have expected completely that these questions will be asked if examiner will set the question paper in future. So the silver box, in which year it was published? 1906. Student totally confused about it to solve the question answer. Descriptive type questions method for reading is different way. If I shall talk about the summary, and the pattern of reading the summary is different way. The pattern of reading the summary about the topic is different way. But factual based point you have to copy into the memory day and night. If you cannot work day and night to copy the memory of these questions, then you will surely confused in the examination hall. First of all, 1906 silver box, and the main of property. The main of property in same age. The main of property question will be asked TGT and PGT both. The main of property. Same questions will be asked in the examination, and this question is important for NET examination. Those students who are preparing for NET in September 16, 17, 18, to 25 this examination will be conducted, and this examination which agency was conducted? NTA, National Testing Agency. If you are preparing for NET examination, then these questions is important for you. If you are also rejected 1 or 2 questions for JRF, then it will be play a vital role to solve the questions answer if you have practiced in daily routine. So in which year the Man of Property was published? It was published in 1906, same year. The Silver Box and the Man of Property was published in same year. The Man of Property and the Silver Box was published in same year. If such type of study will be maintained by you in future life, then you will be 100% secure selection for UP Madhyamik Shiksha Seva Chayan Board will select to you if you have got and you have believed in institution for grammar and literature both. How many questions will be asked? I shall provide detailed study material for you if you have put the faith in this institution. So first of all, one by one section I am going to describe it. If you have 100% faith about it, then how many areas, question where he will also prepare. For textbook he will prepare the question answer. If you are not interested to read the textbook, then how can you get the selection within a time? And those factual based questions, if you are not preparing and you are expecting that teacher will provide all detailed study materials and you are not developing about such type of study to adopt the question answer and to copy it into the memory, no any teacher will be selected and no any teacher will also give a proper selection for you. So it is total planning of you. Teacher will give the proper instruction for you only. टीचर केवल इंस्ट्रक्शन आपको दे सकता है, टीचर केवल गाइडेंस दे सकता है, टीचर केवल यह प्रोवाइड कर सकता है कि कहां से क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं और किस किस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन आएंगे। अगर आपने उन क्वेश्चन को पूरी तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करने का प्रयास नहीं किया, प्रैक्टिस सेट जो बनाया जा रहा है उसको हल करने का प्रयास नहीं किया, तो असफलता आपके सामने एक नई चुनौती लाके खड़ा कर देगी और आपको इन बिंदुओं पे परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ सकता है। So it is important task to you to improve your internal skills at that present time. Present situations is very difficult situation due to COVID-19. And online classes in this difficult situation has been conducted by the institution. Those students who are not surviving in the place of Allahabad, Prayagraj, and you are living in the different places and home places, if you are using the mobile phones, through the mobile phones you can get a lot of information related to topic, and when you also visited and to give the examination hall, then same questions will be asked and you will solve the questions. It is the complete strategy of the technology. Technology also have changed and there is no need to come in the institution or offline classes in the present situations. So first of all, I have described about the two portions, the Silver Box, the Man of Property, and in the Man of Property is also in which year it was published? 1906. And next is important, Justice Poetry Class in Justice. Justice is very important for TGT exam. Question will be asked, justice play for related to which poet or playwright, which novelist. If you are totally confused, then how can you write it? Justice play in 1910. If I shall talk about justice play, in which year it was? Also 1910. 1910 year justice was published, and justice was described about the different slum areas peoples, and he has also discussed. If I shall talk about the detailed study material for you, first of all you will focus about the questions. You will practice about the question in the examination. Poverty class. If I shall talk about justice, poverty class in justice. You know that those people who have less money, who are poor in Indian society, they are facing a lot of struggles in the present situations. John Galsworthy has frustrated, has disturbed completely about the seeing the physical and mental condition of the poor people in the present time. then he has completely confused, and he has also given through the revolutionary movement, and he has also published justice. How can you get the justice? It is completely based poverty for poverty class injustice, poverty class injustice, poverty class injustice. Students should be aware about it. बहुत सारे बच्चों को इन क्वेश्चन के प्रति जूझना पड़ेगा। इन क्वेश्चन को तैयार करने के लिए रोज रटने की आवश्यकता है, कॉपी करने की आवश्यकता है। चूंकि फैक्चुअल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस अगर एग्जाम में पूछे जा रहे हैं तो लिटरेचर को पढ़ने का मेथड आपको बदलना होगा। जिस तरीके से आपने एमए कोर्सेज को कंप्लीट किया, बीए कोर्सेज को कंप्लीट किया, और इसमें कोई भी फैक्चुअल बेस्ड पॉइंट्स के विषय में डिस्कस नहीं किया गया, डिटेल वर्जन केवल डिस्कस किया गया। बट इट इज द एरा ऑफ कंपटीशन। मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट हैज द गॉट different courses and different degrees. If you have attained about the knowledge of different portions, you have got the good marks in the written exam and interview, you have got the good marks, but those criteria, those selection procedure before 20 or 30 minutes I have described. Those student who has completed the degree, DPhil degree, he has also special marks will be given by UP माध्यमिक शिक्षा सेवा चयन बोर्ड 2%. You have to fight for those student who has got the more marks, then 105 marks if you have attained, then you will be secure position in UP माध्यमिक शिक्षा सेवा चयन बोर्ड. But you have to prepare not only literature but grammar also. If you have prepared well, then no any problem, no any hindrances will come in the physical life of you. So I am telling to you about the justice, which was published in which year? 1910. It is completely based poverty class injustice, poverty class injustice. And next is worked for disabled soldiers, work for disabled soldiers, worked for disabled soldiers. You know that कि John Galsworthy has faced a great difficulties in the year of 1914. 1914, First World War has started. First World War has started in 1914, and this First World War has changed the mood of John Galsworthy, because a lot of soldiers who has fought for his country and different portions of physical features have been cut by those anti-army and fought to each other. He has observed very carefully about the physical features of those soldiers who are disabled, and he has noted in 1914, and in 1914 he has seen about the real condition of the soldier who are weeping because he has more energy to fight for his country. He has more energy to fight for his country in these situations, in these conditions. But which type of problem has created in the mind of John Galsworthy? Because John Galsworthy has affected minds, and he has also created about such type of portions when this type of revolutionary movement has started at that time. But next points there is need to discuss about it. It is the most important point for TGT and PGT examination. For TGT and PGT examination, it is the most important point. President of PEN, President Award for PEN, President for PEN. PEN is institution. If I shall talk about PEN, PEN is an institution, and in 1921 it was given. 1921 it was given PEN. But I shall talk and I shall discuss about the full form of PEN. What is the full form of PEN? Question will be asked. Full form of PEN. maximum students are completely confused, completely disturbed when full form of pen will be asked, and in which year it was also given, 1921. Pen means poets playwright. Pen means poets playwright. Poets playwright. And second, what is the E means? E means assist. E means assist. And third is also N. Third is, what is the meaning of N? N means novelist. N means novelist. It is important task to you to know about the basic portion that will be asked in the examination. If you are active personality, if you are active person and motivated for the examination, then your selection will be certainly certain for, and you will be also selected in the examination. But you will practice daily, because literary portion will be forgot within a time. I have taught today and you have not practiced for next day, then all these points will be rush away into the memory of you and you will suffer. So in daily routine there is need to practice it. And last point I have to discuss in the present situations. Different factual points I have given to you. If maximum students are aware about the examination and no any confusions will be created through the practices portions, then all these points will be corrected, and when multiple choice question will be asked in the examination, then you can also opt those portions. So last point, he breathed. Last, he breathed means he died. It is the pattern of writing in English literature. He breathed. He breathed. In which time? Last. It is most important question for TGT examination in present situation. 31st January 1933. 31st January 1933 means death. Questions will be asked in the examination and you will also select. If you are prepared about 1933 and question will be asked 31 January, then how can you solve the question answer in this present situations? So most important task for you, one question is most important for TGT exam. He died, John Galsworthy died, but what is the cause of death? What is the cause of death? It is total confusion in the mind of student. अगर किसी की मृत्यु होती है तो कोई ना कोई कारण बन ही जाता है, कोई ना कोई कारण बन ही जाता है. तो क्या ऐसा कारण है कि जॉन गाल्सवर्दी की मृत्यु हुई? जॉन गाल्सवर्दी डाइड ब्रेन ट्यूमर. क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड इन टीजीटी एग्जामिनेशन. ब्रेन ट्यूमर, ब्रेन ट्यूमर, the spelling of tumor, TUMOUR, and these questions will be asked in TGT examination. If students are not completely aware about it, then how can you solve the question answer? Because in present time it is the era of competition. A large number of students for less post also fighted to each other, and you have to make a strong personality, not only physically but mentally also. So in this way, also his faithful friend Joseph Conrad is also faithful friend of the John Galsworthy. When he visited Asia, South Asia, Australia, Canada, then Joseph Conrad also a novelist and he has met also. So I shall describe about different features of the John Galsworthy today, and I have discussed also about the biography of John Galsworthy, the name of his father, name of his mother, and love affair of John Galsworthy. For which lady? The lady name is Ada Nemes, Pearson. Ada name is Pearson is the lover of John Galsworthy, and his cousin. She was the wife of his cousin. She was the wife of his cousin, and she divorced due to quarreling. He divorced due to quarreling. So in this situation, you have to change the mindset, and pattern of questions will be asked in the examination. So at that time, I have given a lot of material for today, and you have to believe in institution and teachers both. Your future life will be bright, and no any hindrances will stand as the obstacle of your great path that you have decided, not only one day but after crossing of many years. But if you have put the faith and take the admission in these institutions, then 100% I have taken the guarantee to you, then selection will be also, you will be selected in the examination of TGT and PGT. If you are interested for pursuing the NET examinations, then I shall also discuss about the area and pattern of NET examination, how can you crack it. So today I have described about John Galsworthy for the brief portions. Different questions I have not discussed today. Different autobiography of the different play I have not discussed today, but today I have given the brief portion in front of you. So today I shall end the class, and next day I shall describe about different plays. So I shall end the class. Dhanyavad.